Today we are going to talk about chest pain. Chest pain is a very vast topic which includes chest pain is not only nowadays there is a myth that chest pain it means only cardiac pain. No, there are several other causes of chest pain. Main cause is cardiac pain. Other causes are pulmonary, gastrointestinal, neuromuscular, muscle. These are all the causes of chest pain. Now we are going to discuss about the various causes of chest pain and when you need to consult a doctor in case of the severe chest pain. First, we'll discuss about the cardiac chest pain. In cardiac diseases, how the chest pain will be occurring. In cardiac cases, usually the chest pain will be mostly central in location and it will be severe and at rest. Mostly this cardiac chest pain will occur at rest. Sometimes it radiates to left arm, neck, jaw, back of the body, and it is associated with several other associated features like nausea, sometimes vomiting, sweating, dyspnea. When you are suffering with the chest pain with these symptoms like breathlessness, nauseating and sweating, you need to consult your doctor in order to rule out the cardiac cause of chest pain. Heart attack. Cardiac cause is nothing but heart attack. The other cause of chest pain is pulmonary, lung infection, that is called pleuritic chest pain, which is very sharp and sudden in onset. It is associated with fever, cough, breathlessness. It indicates a pulmonary cause of chest pain. The other cause of chest pain is gastrointestinal, GERD, esophageal reflux. It is nothing but in a common language acidity. It also causes chest pain. Mostly acidity chest pain is mostly maximum burning type of pain will be there and more in the retrosternal area or in the epigastric region. Other causes of chest pain are neuromuscular causes like muscle pain. When there is a spasm of the muscle, there will be a pain in the chest. Similar way, either it may be right or left. It will be more on exertional and on the movement it get aggravated. This is neuromuscular chest pain. Other cause of chest pain is osteochondritis. It means inflammation of the cartilage of the ribs. So it also causes chest pain.